I am my own nail tech. So I've been doing my nails for over a year now, and I'm just gonna let you guys in with the tea. Hi chommies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renewa for those of you that are new here, and I hope you guys are all well. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my soft gel nail tips. I do my nails every 2 weeks. My last set I had for 3 weeks and they were completely fine. I don't have issues with pop off, just because I have a trick, and you guys are going to see this very soon. These nails, I tend to have my nails quite short, but the same application can apply for longer nails. I just tend to do longer nails in the festive season. If you'd like to know how I do these nails, then you can just stay tuned and watch on. All the products are available here in South Africa, and I will add everything in the description box below. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye. First things first, take the soft gel tips. These are almond in medium length. There are different shapes and lengths available if you prefer others. Now make sure that the nail fits from edge to edge. If the nail is slightly bigger, that's perfectly fine because you can file it down to fit the perfect size. If it's too small, it's more likely to pop off. So not only are we going to file for fit, but we're also going to file down to make the nail much thinner. This is to make sure that when we put the gel on top, the nail doesn't become bulky and it has a more natural effect. You'll know it's thin enough if it's got a nice bendy feel to it. For nail prep, we're going to file, push down our cuticles, buffer, and cut our nails to ensure that we have the perfect base for our primer and dehydrator. Now when I push my cuticles down, I use the nails and not the cuticle pusher, just because my nails are quite thin and they're quite sensitive, so I prefer less pressure, and I prefer the shape of the nails to confirm that it's correct. Now this is our gel glue, and this is what we're going to use to cure our tips onto our nails. But first we should start with a thin layer on all our nails, cure it first before we go on with the application of our soft gel tips. For cleanup, you can always use a cotton bud and acetone to clean around the edges, and this can be used for the color gel as well. For the application of the nail tip, put a thin layer of the gel glue onto the nail bed and leave a nice bead with the excess of the brush on the very end. Now when applying this onto our nail, make sure that we put it at a 45-degree angle and push it down slightly as the gel moves upward. Now this ensures that there's no air bubbles when we apply this on, and just put it in front of the lamp as it cures for 60 seconds. File the shine out of the nail, a shape to your desire, and we're going to buff it off to have a smooth surface for when we paint.
stage, if you're happy with the color, you can go ahead with top coat and you are absolutely done. But we're gonna go in with a layer of chrome, so this is the color I'll be choosing right here. And I'm just gonna put on a light layer of the chrome powder and then end off with top coat, and we are finished.